Well, now that you're here, just have a look at some old lighters with me. Let's start in Switzerland and this pretty rare model designed for the ladies. Next one is a gorgeous German lighter with a really elegant look and mechanism. And if we travel to Japan now, we can appreciate the silver engraving on this one. Classic but timeless, just like this British guy. But he has a really cool feature to show you. How cool is that? Let me know what it was used for. Anyway, the American lighter also has something special.